We stopped being human because we became Nigerians. They divided us and we fell for it. Because you wouldn't see me as a Yoruba man, you spoke for me. Because you wouldn't see me as a Christian, you spoke for me. Because you spoke. Because you spoke. Because you spoke. Because you spoke, Nigeria couldn't happen to me. Because you spoke. The only reason Nigeria couldn't happen to me is because you spoke. You spoke. That is why Nigeria couldn't happen to me.
Human rights activist and lawyer Dele Farotimi has tearfully expressed gratitude to Nigerians for their unwavering support following his release from Ekiti prison. NaijaNews reported Farotimi's arrest made by prominent lawyer Afe Babalola on a defamatory statement stemming from his book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, which detailed systemic issues within Nigeria's legal framework. Days after being granted bail of 50 million naira, Farotimi appreciated Nigerians for rallying behind him during his legal battles, emphasizing the power of unity and collective action. We stopped being human because we became Nigerians. They divided us, and we fell for it. Because you wouldn't see me as a Yoruba man, you spoke for me. Because you wouldn't see me as a Christian, you spoke for me, he said with tears streaming down his face. Farotimi credited Nigeria's solidarity for ensuring his release and preventing what he described as the harsh consequences of a fractured system. Because you spoke, Nigeria couldn't happen to me. That is why Nigeria couldn't happen to me. You found your voices, and in our collective, you could not be silenced, he added. The video has since gone viral, with many praising Farotimi for highlighting the need for unity among Nigerians, transcending ethnic and religious divides. Farotimi, known for his vocal criticisms of societal and political injustice, has gained widespread support for his advocacy. His arrest and subsequent release have sparked conversations about freedom of speech and the importance of collective activism in Nigeria. As the story continues to gain traction, many see Farotimi's ordeal as a rallying point for stronger efforts to address injustice and foster unity in the country. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.